I just about what? Just tell us the story.
I don't know. About
Shane and Brittany floating down the Delaware. Looking for another pair. 5 days later, eaten by a polar bear. Said, hi, polar bear. That's how the polar bear died.
You know how long it took us to get that ending right?
I know,
the groove
we're like,
back.
okay, died. No, no, no. It goes, died. No, died. No. Yeah.
And then we had our little yeah moments.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.